It's hard out here, man, but man, this dude got out that white Charger, man. Caucasian guy. Not that guy, man, but this guy. This guy right there. The guy got out that Charger. He got out walking over to me. I know he finna beg. He walking around begging now. Ain't nobody got no money, bro. For real. Shit. I put 91 gas up in here. You feel me? Got no money? You just giving away? How you ain't got no money though? You rolling around in a Charger? You rolling around in a Dodge Charger? Fast one at that. You rolling around in the fast one at that. You understand me? He ain't playing. But he says he determined to be out here begging. That's for sure. Yeah, he determined to be out here begging. Turn that music down. We ain't getting no copyright. You know, at a certain age, man, I know it's rough, man. They come to that, bro, but like, come on, bro. You gonna go play on that like, man, I ain't got no, I need some gas. Come on, bro. Come on. Look at this. Youngster finna put hands on him, bro. Youngster, hands on him, bro. Don't get in your car, youngster. Don't mess yours off, man. Youngster, let that go. Hey, youngster. Hey, young. Let it go, youngster. Hey, youngster. Hey, youngster. Let it go. Don't let this shit let it go, man. Dude done cracked this truck. You know what I mean? Like, tell youngster it ain't worth it, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, come on, man. What the fuck is this shit? But you know, they should have let me over. Don't be mad at me. Don't get mad at me, people. You know what I'm saying? He was finna come around though, but the other people are hitting home. But the traffic is coming, man. When you driving, you driving. Just that little old bit right there. Man, the old man finna get into it with the youngster. I just want to encourage youngster, man, don't waste your time getting in that stuff, man. That's all. You see, I ain't been out in a couple of days, right? You know, and things been going on. You know what I'm saying? I be missing some things, you know, but like, there's always something going on. You know what I mean? Just that fast, right at the end of that. We ain't know what's going on. You hear me? Just that fast right there, man. Oh, 6'4", man. We missing. You know, I haven't did this in a long time. You know, exploring, driving. I haven't put a video out maybe a few weeks. I haven't, you know what I'm saying? So here we is, you know what I mean? TB Real Talk in the streets. know what's going on right here, They almost through with that building. They've been fixing on that building. They almost through with that building. Whatever that building look like, it's going to be some type of food chain. Because we see them air vents up in there. It look like it's going to be some type of food chain, But yeah, I haven't did this little vlog, because that's what we doing, vlogging. Riding, vlogging, checking things out, I learn more and more as I go, what we doing, what it's all about, So yeah, it's a new day, a new beginning, I ain't been outside in a long time, like, doing nothing, man. Like, it been my peace. I've been at peace, really. That been my peace, man, sitting up in that house, man. But it's good to get out for a change. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I can get back out here and get my production back up. Get my production back up. That's the main thing. We still early. I gotta figure out, so that $25 put me on a half a tank. Put me up to that. Gas price is so high, y'all. And, for the record, like my car, when you drive good Infinity cars and stuff like this, you want to put that good gas up in your car, man. I put that 91 up in my car, Put the 91 gas up in here. So I was on a quarter. So that 25 put me up to a half a tank. When I go to LA and go back to where I'm going, that's going to be back on a quarter. You know what I'm saying? I just know. Yeah, it's good, man. It's good to get out, though. You know what I mean? Like, this feel good. It feel good to sit at home and chill, but it do feel good to get out sometime, and ride. Yeah, it do feel good to get out and ride, man. Yeah, so that's what we doing, y'all. We just exploring. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? Just check it out. Corvette right here, y'all. Seen him when he hit the corner. Yeah. This spot right here, I had to come to the donut place right here, man. Come to Dunkin Donuts and give me the turkey sausage and eggs and cheese. And I'm getting the hash browns. Yeah.
One more time, sorry. You have the turkey sausage?
Yeah.
Okay.
She coughing and shit, man. Laughing. Ain't nothing funny. I don't get no receipt. So nasty ass, man. Don't make no damn sense, bro. She laughing about it though, bro. She like coughing and laughing like it's a joke. You know what I'm saying? And then they don't want to give you a receipt because you can complain about their services, bro. You know what I mean? That ain't cool. Even though she wasn't handling the food, but you passing money and stuff like that. People think I'm not wrong, bro. I'm just speaking out, bro. I ain't wrong for speaking out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't even want to ask her for no special jellies or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Man. Right here in Bellflower, Artesia. You feel me? It's like, man, like, cough in them people's face. Did you cough in their face? Don't make a complaint about that, man. For real. You laughing and joking and stuff like that, bruh, stuff. You know, I be tired. Professional, man. Don't be playing with people. People be playing with people, man, especially nationality, man. I'm telling you, man, people be playing on people's intelligence, bro. This coughing and shit, man. Hey, excuse me, miss. That when you worked at the window, that wasn't you at the window, huh?
No.
Miss, I'm in the wheelchair. The girl was coughing all and stuff, laughing. But miss, can I get some grape jelly?
Yeah. Did you want napkins as well?
Yeah, she ain't give me none of that. No napkin and grape jelly, and please. That's
okay. Grape jelly, napkins, and I'll bring you a butter knife.
Thank you, man. You know, if she wouldn't have came out, it wouldn't even be that. You know what I mean? Like, let's make it make sense. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna complain about that girl. Cause it ain't cool, man. Like, and people don't, that's the thing of it is, they don't want you to rate them. They don't want you to complain about it. That's why a lot of these people do stuff, and that's why they don't give you receipts, man. You don't ask for it. A lot of people don't ask for it, but it's good to have your receipt. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. I appreciate you. Thank you, miss. All right. Thanks. All right. Hey, excuse me. What's that girl name that's at that register window? What's her name?
She's new.
She new?
Yeah, this is my first day working with her.
All right. Thank you. I'll find out. I got the receipt. Thank you, miss. All right. All right. Yeah, you know, like, but at the same time, she gonna cover up for her, you know. Got these little tater tots. They give you total of 6 of these. You get total of 6 of these right here. You feel me? Yeah, the girl didn't give me no napkin or nothing, man. I don't know what's up with her, man. You know, y'all saw it on camera how she acted. Like, you know, then laughing about it, you know. I heard her, yeah, you know what I mean? I said, yeah. But you up there coughing and stuff. Come on, man. You know. He didn't seem like he even stopped. He just kept on going. African American brother. For real. He didn't even stop at the window. Like, I guess he wasn't fitting it. Little egg sandwich super hot though. Yeah. No ketchup, you know what I'm saying? No, you don't think, you know what I'm saying? I'm not quite sure they got ketchup for the potatoes. She knew she don't need to be right there, huh? We need to train her better. We're gonna get on down the road, man. I'm not gonna lie. This sandwich right here, salty as hell. A lot of salt. I don't know what's wrong with that cook. They all bad up in there. The guy handed her the food. A lot of salt. I had a problem last time I came to this thing, man. Same type of shit. Last time I think the girl gave me attitude. Made me wait. Oh, that's what they told me to come out here and wait. And I was waiting for a long time. I'm just putting some nourishment in my body. And the potatoes ain't hot. They're warm. Yeah, all right. We off, man. I ain't been to Golden Corrals in a long time, man. Stuff sure ain't changed around here. Around Artesia Boulevard. In-N-Out Burger over on this side. In-N-Out Burger, a lot done changed, man. They back there, they always working on the road. They've been working on the road since way back then. Doing speed checks. Broke down on the freeway. Don't like that. Ain't been on this 105 in a minute. They got the TV up there working, man. The Plaza Mexico. The screen up there working, man. Look at the screen, the LED screen. Guess that's what you would call it. The LED screen. Traffic, man. Y'all know I like to get y'all the good view, man. Stuck on the freeway, traffic. Car in the front of me, man, just driving so slow. Look at the big old gap he got in front of him. You know what I'm saying? I would have been gone, bruh. See how I go around you? Just going so slow. Kind of look like Bob, the news anchor, Bob Picasso. That's what he kind of looks like. Hold on. They're doing some little surgical over here by the county building.
You know why? Because I remember when you used to to pull up and hop out with your camera, niggas will be talking shit. All these fake ass cameramans and whoop this and that.
Yeah.
A nigga, oh, what's up, Terry Bone? What's up, enjoying the low ride seat?
Yeah.
You went through a lot to get to that, nigga.
Yeah. Real talk.
You did it all, bro, but you there now. You in with them same people that counted you out.
Yeah. Look, I'm vlogging right now, right here on Avalon. I'm on Avalon 102nd. They got the line. They give out free food every week.
Real talk. You used to watch them. Guess what? They watch you now.
Yeah.
Who watches you now?
Yeah.
All the niggas watch you now.
Yeah.
Yeah, real talk, bro. So don't feel like that, bro. You really did some shit, bro.
Yeah.
I want snacks to come from you like this shit you talking about now. You expanding with other channels and stuff. I hope that shit, you know what I'm saying, do something or whatever, succeed or whatever it do.
Yeah.
Because I know whatever it is that you're doing, you've been true to it for a while.
Good looking, little one. And you know, for the record, bro, I'm recording you because I'm out here vlogging, but you know, it is what it is. You feel me? Like, it's good. It's positive, though. You feel me? But I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate you tapping in and telling me that, you know. I appreciate the encouragement, bro. Look, y'all, they on both sides of the street set up over here to speak. Spanish wasn't even over here like this, bro. You feel me?
Listen, I'm with it. You know, we don't talk that much, bro. You don't hear from me that much, but that don't think it's just you. That's everybody, bro. But if you good people, I am gonna tap in at some point in time. But if you ain't good people, you ain't gonna hear from me. I'm gonna tell you that.
Yeah, real talk. Hey, and that's vice versa, bro. Real talk, shit, bro. What lady got? They got the closed corner right here.
Fucking up when you right or wrong or whatever, bro. It ain't nothing but feedback.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm right here, man. I'm in the streets, man. Real talk. This TB real talk in the streets, man. TB real talk in the streets, man. This is what we doing right here. You understand me? I'm on the east side right here. And this is part where I grew up at too. From my side to this side, you know, people don't know this Superior right here. This used to be the police station, but look at all these booths, these vendors and stuff right here, man. This is downtown, the new downtown LA, but it ain't in there.
I mean, what's that nigga barbecue spot right there? Mr. Jim's used to be in shit.
Yeah, Mr. Jim used to be right on the next block though.
50s and shit.
Yeah, Mr. Jim's is right on that next corner. Tamale, the boy. Yeah, man, look at the boy. We got it going on, boy. Yeah, that's good, man. That's why, see, they be bullcrapping. We got to do our thing, bro. You understand me? I be telling the homies don't want to do stuff, bro. Yeah, it's vlogging with your boy TB, real talk in the streets, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just on the phone chopping up with the homie, man. You know what I mean? He giving me some good encouragement, man. And it is what it is, man. It's real talk, man. I got to look at it for what it is and what it become. You know, I never expected it to be what this is today, but it is what it is, man. You know, but like I say, I'm going to be different places, different spots in the streets, real talk in the streets with TB, you know what I mean? TB, real talk in the streets. So I go different places. I'm showing different places. I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere, you know, and that's what this is about, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, right now, man, see the get down. Much love and respect to all y'all. Like, comment, subscribe to my